Well, it looks like I'm back to bad CNC milling suppliers. I can't express my disappointment. The guy's been making me these now for quite a while. It's gone from almost immaculate it's hard to pick everything up on camera, but these are just the back view of some of the cartridges, and I have there's 300 pieces in total. One that's been supplied before. Even the hole for the screw, nice countersink in. Not have to worry about anything before they go for heat treatment. These just looks like they've been on a grinder. I've got to countersink all the holes. I can't do anything with these. The hole alignment on the bike. How can it happen that somebody can make something perfectly and then supply you again in this condition? Let me look at the centres. Oh dear. Oh. Extremely disappointed. You'll have to message me, buddy, if it's something you no longer want to do. Let me know. But obviously I can't receive them in future in this condition. I don't even know what I can do with these. As you can see, it's not a small order. Can you tell which is the good one? Left, middle, alright. I'm not even sure when the jacking screws fitted these into the bike that it will even mount the tool. It's not like I've gone through them and picked the worst ones out. I just pick one at random. Let's have a look. I honestly don't think the guy that's been making them has made these. He must have had a 5-year-old apprentice. Wow.